Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2011 Harley-Davidson Softail Convertible CVO with 24,010 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and has been upgraded with an air cleaner, passing lamps, horn cover, seat, saddlebags, passenger backrest, engine guard, and a windshield. This bike is one of only 718 produced worldwide. A stunning maple metallic and Roman gold paint set complement the factory custom details of the Softail CVO, highlighting Harley's eye for craftsmanship. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Softail puts 107 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. Rider comfort, impressive performance, and friendly ergonomics make the Softail a reliable cruiser. With the saddlebags and windshield, it offers some towing capacity as well. It weighs in at 725 pounds and has a 25.6 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.